This is the emergency alert system broadcasting the Jared the Yankee Overdrive Master channel. This video contains valid emergency alert tones as the creator is not responsible for these tones. All EAS mocks are fake and the ones I make are for entertainment purposes only. Also, do not prank people with these tones in the air, as it can definitely cause panic. Anyways, enjoy the video.
Alright everyone, so before the video starts, I'd like to talk about my Angry Overdrive videos. So, because today's a Saturday, and it's a premiere, and hello, so welcome to the premiere for my second Doom Rig video. So yeah guys, yeah, before the video starts, I would like to talk about that, what's been going on with my Angry Overdrive videos lately. You might have been wondering what happened with my Battle and King of the Hill videos this week. Yeah, there's the room I make my Angry Overdrive videos in there, I make them in there. In that room right there with where the moon is and all those stickers. There's like a little messy wall in there, but that's where I do my videos lately, like all the time. So for Battle, it's just been tough because I've been going through school, and yeah, also sometimes I have a bunch of homework to do, and it's tough to do all that, like, and sometimes like I usually do like. Sometimes I upload them on Tuesdays just because I always get too tired. Because on Mondays is the first day of the week for school. And I used to get too tired, like very tired sometimes, like after the first day, after the first day of the week. So that's why I usually don't get racing uploaded on Mondays. I usually upload them on Tuesdays or it might not even happen that week. So guys, don't worry because there's going to be two Angry Overdrive videos coming up. I'll try my best to upload both Battle and King of the Hill this week, or actually today. I'm going to try my best to do this today. After this premiere ends, I will do so. So I'll stop talking, so let's get to the scenario. So, yeah guys, so let's hope you enjoy the Doom Rig returning once again.
Breaking news. At 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a report was given that there was a huge car crash that happened earlier today in Philadelphia. We do not know what the cause was in the situation. If you know who is behind this, call 911. Also, the police are now targeting someone that is unknown right now. Stay tuned for activation of the emergency alert system.
This is an emergency action notification. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. The police are now targeting Sid Phillips, but Sid Phillips said that he has been in jail since the car crash happened. So the police are now wondering who caused the crash, because it wasn't Sid Phillips. Stay tuned for any updates. This is an emergency action notification. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. And report was given that they saw a truck racing around the streets of New York City. They might believe it's the Doom Rig returning to the United States. People say that there was no one driving the Doom Rig. Also, multiple reports say that there are now multiple vehicles falling from the sky and crashing into any car in their path. We do not know who caused the cars to fall from the sky. This has now turned into a Wreckfest. Stay tuned for any updates on this dangerous situation. This is an emergency action termination. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in the assigned areas. A report was given that there was someone driving a tractor-trailer that will attempt to stop the Doom Rig. People do not know who this person is or what the truck is. If you know who this person is, call 911. Stay tuned for any updates on this dangerous situation. This is an emergency action notification. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. We have found information about the person in the truck. The person is believed to be wearing a cowboy suit and a cowboy hat with a gun in his pocket. We also found information about the truck. It is a black truck with some red stripes and a fist on the back of the trailer. The name of the person is believed to be named Billy Borax, and the truck is believed to be named X52. Billy Borax will be attempting to stop the Doom Rig. Stay tuned for any updates on this dangerous situation. This is an emergency action notification. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. The Doom Rig has started a big wildfire across the entire state of California. Everyone that sees the fire, get away from it immediately, so the fire department can stop this fire. Billy Borax driving X52 is now heading towards California because that is the location the Doom Rig is in. All of the other cars that were falling out of the sky are still slamming into cars across the entire United States. Billy Borax also says that he will be attempting to stop the Doom Rig by using X52's main weapon, called the Pulse Ram. Stay tuned for any updates on this dangerous situation. This is an emergency action notification. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. A report was given that 2 members from the Big Guns will help Billy Borax stop the Doom Rig. The members include Jared the Killer Master and F-Zero-GX Mayonnaise HQ. They both say that Billy Borax is from a game called Inky Overdrive. Both of them know much about Inky Overdrive. Stay tuned for any updates on this dangerous situation. This is an emergency action notification. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. We have some good news. All of the cars were destroyed by Billy Borax. He used X-52's pulse ram on all of them. Now all that is left is the Doom Rig. Stay tuned for any updates on this dangerous situation. We have interrupted our regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is a national emergency. All broadcast and cable systems should transmit this message. This is WNBC. We will be discontinuing programming. You should now tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. Around 3:30 p.m. Eastern Time, a report was given that the Doom Rig has launched a missile towards Billy Borax. The Doom Rig got mad after Billy Borax destroyed all of the cars across the entire United States. The Doom Rig also spawned a bunch of bigger vehicles across the entire United States. That includes big rigs, school buses, harvesters, monster trucks, and 18-wheelers. Stay tuned for any updates on this dangerous situation. This is an emergency action termination. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. At around 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the Doom Rig failed its attempt to stop Billy Borax. All of the other vehicles were destroyed by Jared the Killer Master and F-Zero-GX Mayonnaise HQ. Also, the Doom Rig has now met up with Billy Borax. This is it, world. This is about to be a big battle. Billy Borax driving X-52 versus the Doom Rig. Stay tuned for any updates for this battle.